We have given complex fraction. First, we have to check if we can do some operations in the numerator and in the denominator. Because we have subtraction of algebraic fractions, so we need to have common denominator. We have n and t, so the common denominator will be nt. So this is equal. Let me copy our example. We have m over n minus n over t. Like I said, the least common denominator for n and t will be nt, so I have to multiply n times t to get nt. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator, so it will be times t, and that denominator I have to multiply by n to get nt. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. And we will copy our denominator. Now, in denominator we have m and n, so the least common denominator will be mn. How I get this? I just multiply m times n. So now I have to multiply m times n to get mn. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. And n I have to multiply times m. Whatever I did with denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So now we will have m times t is mt over nt, minus we have n times n is n squared over tn is nt. And the denominator we have n times n is n squared over mn minus t times m is tm over n times m is mn. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominators, we can copy denominator and we have to just subtract numerators, so it will be mt minus n squared and mn, so we have to copy mn and we have to subtract numerators, n squared minus tm. So this is equal. Now, because we cannot reduce anything in the numerator and in the denominator, so we will change this fraction bar to division sign, because fraction bar means division. So we have, and we have mt minus n squared over nt divide, and we have n squared minus, because I have mt in the first expression, so I change tm to mt, and we have over mn. Now when we divide two algebraic fractions, we have to copy first fraction. We change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip the second fraction. So it will be mn over n squared minus mt. So this is equal. Next, when we multiply two algebraic fractions, we have to multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And because we have here mt minus n squared and n squared minus mt, we have different sign only. We have negative and positive n squared, positive and negative mn. So I will factorize negative sign in the numerator to get the same expression in parentheses. So it will be minus mt I have to put plus n squared. When I'm multiplying by negative sign, will be the same what I have at the beginning. Will be negative and negative give me positive, negative and positive is negative. And we have times mn over nt times n squared minus mt. So this is equal. And now we copy negative sign, and first I will put positive expression. So we have n squared minus mt times mn over nt times n squared minus mt. Now we see that we have the same terms in parentheses, so we can cancel out. Will be 1, and we have n and n because we have multiplication, so we can cancel out n also. And now we have negative sign. We have 1 times 1 is 1, we don't have to write, so 1 times m is m over, we have 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times t is t. So this is equal. We have negative and positive now variable in the denominator. So negative and positive give me negative. I can put before this whole fraction m over t. This is my solution.